Hello! Welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena. Welcome to my home.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
Okay, so for today, what I'm going to be doing is working up here on my upstairs level. I have to get my master bedroom nice and clean. I'd like to start with my bed and get all the some nice new fresh sheets on there is what I'd like to do. So we'll start there. Then I'm gonna just come over here to my dresser area. Let's take a look. I'm gonna show you here. It is just, it is just a little out of control, as you can see. Just tons of stuff on there. I kind of was in a big rush and pulled a bunch of stuff out of my purse the other day too, and all of that is still up there too. So today we're going to be working up here. So let's go ahead and get started.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
Okay, so I am all finished with the bed, and I didn't do a full deep clean, wipe everything down. I had just done that not too long ago. I really just wanted to get some fresh sheets on the bed, and I didn't wipe down the front just because I didn't want to disrupt Vector. He's sleeping. You see him? I didn't want to make him move. So it'll be fine. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to transition over here to the vanity area. And as usual, it's just become a pile-on type of a situation going on right now. There are tons of things that don't belong here, that are here sitting, and so I'm just going to be doing a lot of getting some items off of this vanity. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it all down, get it dusted and nice and clean, and then as soon as that's finished, we will move on into the bathroom.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I
finished with the vanity now, and we are in the bathroom, and this is where I'm headed next. And this is going to be kind of just an interesting, quick bathroom clean. I'm going to try and clean literally like as quick as I can because it is later in the day actually right now. Went out and played for a long time, got one of my boys off to karate, and now it's time to finish cleaning for the rest of the day. Or not for the rest of the day, but finish my cleaning for the day. Anyways, so as you can see here, we got this crazy sink that I'm going to be tackling. I'm also going to get my husband's sink as well as our little bathroom room here. So that's what I'm gonna do in here today. It's not gonna be a complete bathroom clean. I already did the tub the other day and it really isn't that bad yet. So I'm not even going to, I just really need to get like some stuff done. So let's just go ahead and get started in here.
And tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And
Okay, so we're all finished with my sink, and now I'm gonna start working on my husband's sink, and then I'll head over into the toilet area.
If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the
Okay, so I am all finished with the two sinks now, and I'm gonna go ahead and start in the toilet room and just go ahead and get that room nice and clean. I'll get the toilet all nice and clean, and then we're just gonna go ahead and move straight on over into my boys' bathroom and get that all nice and clean. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just going to use my little toilet scrubby wand brush here, some Clorox spray, and let's get cleaning.
But letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me.
I wonder if anyone else is having this problem. So I use the Clorox like toilet wand, and it's always been so good. And I got this batch, and as soon as you start cleaning it, it starts falling apart. I don't know if you can see. Like, I'm not sure if you can see, but it starts falling apart immediately as soon as you put it in the water. Like, I wonder if anyone else is having this issue, or did I just get a bad batch? I don't know.
I wish that our love was just like in the movies, with a happy end. Yeah, but sometimes.
Okay, so we are in my boy's bathroom now, and it is crazy. Got some box of diapers over here, clothes on the floor, things on the sink. So let's just go ahead and get this room taken care of very quickly. I'm gonna try and speed clean like as fast as I can. So let's go.
Promise you won't let me down. Promise you won't let me drown.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feel.
Alright, so that is going to be all for today. Just a really quick cleaning motivation for today, just the bedroom and a couple of bathrooms. I was really hoping that I was going to be able to tackle some of this room back here behind me, but unfortunately I just ran out of time today. It is already about 5:45 now, and so I just really need to start cooking some dinner, and just I'll pick up cleaning tomorrow. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider watching another one. I will see you guys very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just like